Folks, we are at Barnabas in Nakuru City. We are at Fika Gardens by Neo Crest Homes. Folks, tuko hapa leo with some clients. They're looking at this place and they're like, EZRA, I can't believe this is in Nakuru. Can you imagine? This is a gated community by Neo Crest Homes. There is no home available here. All the homes have been booked, but we are going to Fika Villas. That is project 2, just not too far from here. Okay? Can you imagine? Look at this place. Now, the issue I have, I just have one issue. You know, we used to say that the posh estate in Nakuru is Milimani. You can't find anything of this sort in Milimani. Anything of this sort, you will not find it in Milimani. So ideally, Milimani has refused to grow, and so it has been overtaken by time. You know, that's the unfortunate things. So even those folks who tell me, EZRA, can I find a 2-bedroom apartment in Milimani? Can I find a 3-bedroom apartment in Milimani? There are no apartments in Milimani, okay? Can I find a home to buy in Milimani? There is probably 2 homes to buy in Milimani. But when you come to Barnabas, these are 23. That's number 23 there. Okay, there's a car that side. I don't want to go to turn around. But that's number 23. That is the last one. Can you imagine? And we are in Barnabas, a place where new money is smelling. Can you imagine? Milimani, where are your projects? There are 2 estates in Nakuru that are, to me, they're just refusing to grow, and I don't know why. That is Milimani and Section 58. Those 2 places, you guys need to wake up. People have overtaken you. Imagine we used to know that Section 58 was the prestigious estate back then. But now, Barnabas has overtaken Section 58. Naka has overtaken 58. Kiamunyi, out of nowhere, they have overtaken 58. But look at Barnabas. I am in Barnabas. Look at the projects that we have here. This is beautiful. Folks, stay tuned. This very week, I'm going to take you inside one presidential suite in this very project, Fika Gardens. I'm going to take you inside one presidential suite. And with me today here, I had somebody from Milimani. You know what they're telling me? Oh my goodness. You know, I mean, when you go to Milimani, you find those old houses built by, I don't know, Colony or whoever, with those old roofs, clay roofs. That Kitambo 1940. When are you going to upgrade, Bwana? I mean, if people, you know, people from outside think that place is posh. You go there, you just see homes, individual homes. It's okay, fine. But where is more? You know, we need to see the poshness. And I'm not telling you this, kwa ubaya, Milimani folks. I'm just telling you, you have been sleeping for a long time. Wake up! Wake up! Let me catch up with the client. Tuendelee kuangalia nyumba. But Milimani, wake up. Okay?